Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer garlic rosemary eye of round steak. Let's begin. Like I said, for the cut of beef we're using is beef round eye of round steak, and we'll be using around 4 pieces. There we go. First we're going to season it with some salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, some crushed rosemary, and some black pepper. There you go. We're just going to spray some cooking oil on top. There you go. Turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, we season both sides. We're going to add some cooking oil on top. Looking good. If there's some seasoning on the cutting board, just dab the sides with the seasoning. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the steak. There we go. We're going to put it in, turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking good. Gonna flip them over. Looking good. We flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 6 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 12 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Smells really good. Next, we're going to put 4 slices of butter on top of each one. Let's cut one open real quick. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.